it's me, Allie. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a magical start to your day. I am here today with a very exciting video because I am going to be doing 2 unboxings, but I'm not just going to be doing any unboxings. I'm going to be doing Disney unboxings. That's right, Disney subscription services. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Mickey Monthly, and look at the size of this box. I am also going to be unboxing the Main Street Creations box, and I am equally as excited for both of them. If you are unfamiliar with these 2 boxes, I will link all their information in the description below, all their social media platforms, and a little bit about each company. If you have any other additional questions or concerns, just ask them in the comments below, and I will try my hardest to get back to you as soon as possible. And without further ado, we're gonna move right into this unboxing. So we're gonna start off with the Mickey Monthly, and so many of you guys requested that I do this unboxing, so it's really awesome to know that a lot of you already know about this company and love it. The first thing that we're gonna talk about is the packaging, because this is hands down the best packaging I've ever seen out of any subscription service out there, and I have seen a lot of subscription services. It is an absolutely beautiful Cinderella's Castle blue, and anybody that follows me on Instagram or on YouTube or just knows me in real life understands my love for Cinderella's Castle. It is my everything. The love is real. It is my second home. So just looking at this box gives me really nice feeling inside. On top of it being a beautiful blue, it has all of these Disney quotes all over it, such as "If you can dream it, you can do it," "Never grow up," "It's kind of fun to do the impossible." And again, if you are a Disney person, anytime you read a Disney quote, it just gives you that nostalgic feeling inside. So A+ for the packaging on this box. The first thing that I see when I open up this box is a thank you card, and guess what? It has Cinderella's Castle on it. Already sold. I am already sold to this box, and I've only seen the packaging and the thank you card. It is very safe to say that I'm easily pleased when it comes to Disney things. Now on to the actual unboxing. The very first thing that I'm pulling out is this mini apple scented hand sanitizer, and look how freaking cute this is. It has a clip on the top so you can clip this to your backpack or your pocketbook, etc. I'm probably just gonna put this right on my desk in my classroom. My class, well, my previous class, knew that I was obsessed with Disney, and I'm pretty sure my new class this year is also going to understand my love for Disney. So this is going to be a nice little decoration piece to have on my desk, as well as a very functional piece as well. Guys, I am so excited about the next thing that I'm pulling out of this box. It is a water bottle, but not only is it just a water bottle, it is a water bottle that has a bunch of the female Disney villains. Like, what? This is so awesome. And it has Ursula on it. Ursula is my all-time favorite Disney villain. She just slays, she owns it, she rules, she is the best, and I'm pretty much going to be taking my water drinking habits to the next level with this bottle. Next up is this Eeyore statue, and has a quote that says, "Never underestimate the value of doing nothing," and Eeyore has it right. One of my favorite things to do after a long weekend is just to spend a day at home doing absolutely nothing, watching movies, binging out on junk food, and just pretty much laying in bed, doing nothing, reading books, and just enjoying life. So Eeyore, I feel ya. There are 3 things left in this box, and the next thing that I'm pulling out is a shot glass. Now, I don't drink at all, so this doesn't do too much for me. I mean, it's really cute. It says love 4 times on it, and instead of having an O, it has a Minnie Mouse with a little bow. So it's really cute. I might put this like on my shelves or something, but again, I don't drink, so I won't be using this for the reason that people actually would use it for, but still is really cute. The second to last thing that I'm pulling out is a delicious little treat. This is the Jelly Belly Special Edition Mickey Mouse Gourmet Jelly Beans, and the flavors are berry blue, blueberry, bubblegum, buttered popcorn, pretty much all the standard flavors. I'm not sure how this is special edition, maybe because of the packaging and the Mickey Mouse on the front, and I am a sucker for all things Mickey Mouse or Disney packaging, so I am sold on this, but I'm really not sure how these are like Mickey Mouse edition. But I love Jelly Belly, so it's all good. And the final thing in the box of this month comes in this drawstring bag, and it kind of feels like it might be a pin, which would be pretty cool because I just recently got into collecting pins on my previous trip to Walt Disney World. I don't pin trade by any means, but I do like to collect the pins that are meaningful to me. And I am right, it is a Disney pin. It says 2016 and it has the fireworks with Donald, Mickey, Pluto, and Goofy, and I really, really like it. I kind of want to put all my pins on a jean jacket. I've seen that a lot on Instagram lately and I think it looks really, really cute. So now I have a new one to add to my collection. And that is everything that I received in the Mickey Monthly box for August 2016, and I have to say I give this box a big 2 thumbs way up. It is a really, really fun way to bring just a little bit of the Walt Disney World magic straight to your doorstep each month. I would love to know in the comments below what you guys think, but I'm definitely digging this box. Now we're going to be moving on to the Main Street Creations box. This one is very different from the Mickey Monthly box that I got. The Mickey Monthly box that I got this month was souvenir based, and the Main Street Creation box is treat based. So let's get right into it. The first treat that I'm pulling out of the box is this huge family-size bag of taffy. Now, I am a New England girl, so I grew up on saltwater taffy. It holds a very, very special place in my heart. And not only is this is taffy straight from Walt Disney World. This is the Goofy's Candy Company taffy, and it is naturally and artificially flavored. It doesn't tell you all the flavors on the back, but check out the size of this bag. This is going to last me several months. The next thing I'm pulling out of the box is also from Goofy's Candy Company. This is the Cherry Berry and Blue Raspberry Cotton Candy, and this is also the fun to share size. Moving right along, the next thing I'm pulling out is all in bubble wrap, which I really appreciate, so it stays nice and intact throughout the whole shipping process. And it's a Rice Krispie treat. A Mickey Mouse shaped Rice Krispie treat. These are one of my favorite snacks on property, and it is so cool that we are getting this in a box shipped right to my doorstep. Moving right along, we have another Goofy's Candy Company treat. This is the Mike and Ike assorted fruit flavored chewy candies, and this reminds me of my grandparents. My grandparents always used to have one little bowl of Mike and Ike's, and they had another bowl of something that looks very similar to this. I hated them. They were like white, pink, and purple. They had like a black kind of licorice inside, and I hated them. I used to always eat the Mike and Ike's, so I've grown up really liking Mike and Ike's. I don't know what those other ones are called. I can't remember. Let me know in the comments below if you know what I'm talking about, but they were nasty to me. I hated them, but I really like Mike and Ike's, and this is a really big size. This should last me a pretty decent amount of time. A couple of things left in this box, and the next thing I'm pulling out is by Chip 'n Dale Snack Company. These are the tiny treats, fun to share size, and these are the Mickey Puffy Cheese Crackers. So they're basically like the cheese goldfish, the cheddar goldfish that you can get at the market, only they're Mickey Mouse shaped, which makes them 10 times better. We are getting another bubble wrap treat, which makes me very happy because it makes me think that this comes straight from a bakery on either Main Street USA maybe, or just straight out of Walt Disney World. It looks like it might be a chocolate dipped cookie. I think I'm right. It is a pink chocolate dipped shortbread cookie. Like, look how beautiful she is. She smells amazing and she just looks fantastic. So good. So good. So I lied earlier when I said only a couple things left. I'm looking in this box and there's still like 4 or 5 things left. The next 2 things that I'm pulling out are both candy related. The first thing has a little Mickey Mouse head on the front, and it is the fruit hard candy. So it looks like a little travel size you can just throw into your pocketbook or your backpack or your purse or whatever. And then we are also getting the signature, I'm sorry, I'm still swallowing that cookie. We are getting the signature Mickey Mouse lollipop. These are the swirled lollipops that have all the colors of the rainbow. It has Mickey and Minnie on it, and it is called the lollipop. This next tree has a little sticker on it and it says from the Norway Pavilion, and I think that that is so cool. The lady that carries this box is not just sending you like Mickey Mouse shaped treats, she's also going into Epcot to some of the pavilions and getting you treats from around the world showcase at Epcot. That is just so cool. I don't know, it's just really taking it to the next level. So these are the ballerina cookies with a hazelnut cream filling, and we're just gonna test one out right now to make sure it tastes good. I mean, it doesn't sound terrible, but I just have to, you know, make sure that it actually tastes good. So here we go. Actually never had these before. I just tried the school bread from Norway the other day when I went in July, and I was not a fan. So hopefully these cookies will make up for the Norway treats. Crunchy, crunchy cookie and delicious soft hazelnut cream on the inside. These are phenomenal. There are 2 things left in this box, one more food related item and then one item that I'm a little curious about. It looks like it's a clothing related item, but I was under the impression that this box was strictly food, snacks, and treats, so I will check that out in a minute. But the final food related item that I'm getting in the box for this month is this Mickey's Really Swell Diner pasta. We are getting Mickey-roni. So instead of macaroni, we're getting Mickey-roni. It has all little Mickey shapes, and I don't know about you, but when I was young and I used to eat Kraft mac and cheese, and I don't know why I'm saying when I was young because I still eat it now, I love the character shaped ones because they hold the cheese so much more. So I'm pretty pumped that we are getting Mickey Mouse shaped pasta. It has Mickey's hand, his face, and it looks like those are the only 2 shapes, but you cannot go wrong with those. And this is the final item in the box. I'm not quite sure what it is, but there is a note attached to it, so let's read the note and find out. It says, I also sell shirts. Most are all Disney food related. I hope you like this one. Feel free to share. Main Street tees as well. Smiley face and a thank you. So let me just take a moment to clarify something. I'm going to throw a little disclaimer out there. I did not pay for this box. It was sent to me for reviewing purposes. It is not at all sponsored, but the box was sent to me for reviewing purposes. So I think that was really nice that she sent me a shirt as well to kind of share with all of you. And if you guys like it, I will link the Main Street tees. I don't know if it's an Etsy shop. I'll kind of contact her and find out the shop name and like where to find it, and I'll link that in the description below. So I don't think this would actually come in the subscription service if you bought it yourself, but this was really nice for her to add onto mine to kind of share with all of you. So let's see what it is. It is a pink shirt. It looks like, oh my god. It's like Alice in Wonderland theme, and it has a pretzel with a little sign that says eat me, and then it looks like Starbucks, but I'm sure she can't write Starbucks on there for copywriting reasons, but it looks like a little Starbucks cup with a little tag that says drink me. And again, it is a racer back top. I will gladly promote this because this is such a cute shirt. And that is everything that I received in the Main Street Creation box, and without a doubt, my new favorite subscription service. I mean, it's Disney treats, it's Disney, it's food, it's just all of my loves combined into one, and you get a crazy bang for your buck. I will list all the prices of the different boxes that she has as well as Mickey Monthly has in the description below, but overall, this was a very, very successful unboxing for me. I mean, I'm just a sucker for all things Disney, and this just made me so happy. But that's what I think. I would love to know what you guys think below. Did you like these boxes? Did you not like these boxes? Thumbs up if you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you enjoy my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for bringing me to almost 100,000 subscribers. Like, let's pause for a moment. Almost 100,000 subscribers. That is a milestone that I never ever thought that I would even come close to accomplishing. So I just really wanted to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys for all your support, your love, your positivity on my channel. Thank you for all of your kind words. I freaking love you guys to the moon and back. I hope that you're having a beautiful day, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye guys!